If you are experiencing a no SIM card error message on your phone, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons, ranging from hardware problems to software glitches. However, there are several steps you can take to resolve this problem and get your phone back up and running. Hi, my name is Abhyanshu Rao and let's start the video. Number 1. Restart your phone. The first and simplest step to try when encountering a no SIM card error is to restart your phone. This can help reset any software glitches that may be causing the issue. To restart your phone, simply hold down the power button until the device turns off. Then wait for a few seconds and hold down the power button again to turn it back on. Number 2. Check the SIM card tray. Sometimes the SIM card may not be inserted properly or may have become dislodged from the tray. To check the SIM card tray, remove the SIM card and reinsert it back into the tray, making sure it is inserted properly. You can also try cleaning the SIM card and the tray with a soft cloth or compressed air. Number 3. Reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can also help resolve a no SIM card error. This will clear any settings related to your cellular network and will allow your phone to search for available networks again. To reset network settings, go to your phone settings, then select General or System and choose Reset or Reset Network Settings. Number 4. Update your phone software. If the no SIM card error persists, it may be due to software glitches. Updating your phone software can help resolve the issue. To update your phone software, go to your phone settings, then select Software Update or System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Number 5. Contact your carrier. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, it may be due to a problem with your carrier's network. Contact your carrier's customer support and explain the issue to them. They can help troubleshoot the problem and may be able to provide a replacement SIM card if necessary. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.